Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. Welcome back to Cooking Time with Kevin. I'm your host, Donnie Chen. And today on this episode, we're making Nestlé Toll House cookies. Guest starring Jamie. The ingredients you'll be needing are Nestlé Toll House cookie and hazelnut spread from Costco because it's cheaper than Nutella.
Step number 1, break apart the cookie dough. Warm it up in your hand.
That's great.
Roll it.
Holy shit.
Hold it. Roll it. Voila. Alright, step 2. We're going to put our hazelnut spread on top of the cookie balls.
Cookie balls?
Yeah, the balls. Use our chopstick to kind of scoop it off the spoon. We're going to do it on about half of the cookies because we want to experiment and see whether it's better to put the Nutella on before we bake it or after.
350? 1002? Okay. Put it in, Jamie.
Very warm. Put it on the top shelf.
And how long are we waiting?
10 to 12 minutes?
Yeah, that's right.
11 to 12 minutes.
Explain to us what we just did.
Well, we just took the cookies out.
put
I
the
also
Nutella
just
on.
killed somebody.
We're doing some scientific experiments for you guys.
Aha.
Hopefully nobody's allergic to,
Hazelnuts?
yeah, nuts.
I don't work out. Oh no, you
Wait 10 minutes to cool.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
More like 2 minutes.
Wait 2 minutes to cool.
These cookies are finished and they are delicious, but don't take my word for it. Let's hear from these satisfied customers, aka people on my floor who find me really annoying. Looks like they're not home. Would you like a cookie? Is that okay? Wow. He's allergic to nuts.
Oh
So
no.
sorry. Let's go. Hey, do you guys want some cookies?
No, thank you.
I'm good. Thank you.
Okay. This is actually pretty funny. I feel like no one really ate the cookies, and we say, well, there you have it. There you have it. There you have it. No one wants our cookies. Hey, John, you want to try our cookies?
Say no? Should I say no?
No, he wants the cookies.
You want it?
No.
No?
I'm not a chocolate guy.
Well,
Yeah, no, I'm not.
There you have it, folks.
I'm not into-
Kevin, Cooking Time with Kevin. I'm your host, Donnie Chen. These cookies are delicious. And this has been Cooking Time with Kevin. And my name's Donnie Chen, because